Hi YouTube, this is another Dustgate repair good attempt. See if I can get this one going. This is 2017 A1707 screen, 14-inch, and as you can see, the line is going on this side of the screen. So just so you have an idea, this is just one of the broken screens I have. So as you can see, as you can compare, there are two cables going here. One, two. So since this line is going on this side of the screen, so most likely we have to look for the rib somewhere in the middle of this screen of this cable. So I'm gonna mark it a little bit so I have an indication on which side, so I don't forget. I'm gonna make a little mark right here. Okay, so I know where to look for the issue. So let's get this taken apart and get this going. Okay, the screen is out, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the bezel first, and then these spring things. I'm not exactly sure how they called. Spring mechanism probably, but let me go ahead and start on removing the bezel. Let me get the playing card prepared. It doesn't budge for some reason. Maybe I'll start on this side. Let me try on this side. Okay.
Yeah, it was just, I think it was, I turned off the heat gun, that's why. Like I didn't feel it's bulging. Okay. Okay, let me get this out of the way. A little bit of tape. Okay. Okay. I'm using 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 360 in this particular case, on my Hakko FR810B, and I'm using the airflow free. And just kind of it just kind of slides through pretty easy, as you can see. And as you can see, this side is already up. Don't force it, because you don't know what can be a cable underneath. Just let it kind of slide through, and that's it. That's a usually good. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is beautiful. Nothing's damaged. Okay, so this is glass. Okay, so this one's away, and we need to remove the spring thing, spring mechanism also. Okay, and in order to remove this, we have 1, 2, 3, 6 screws. Is it T? I believe it's T3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 2. And 3. Okay. Let me see if I can get this out. So easily.
Okay, let me take this call.
Yeah, I actually removed the one screw from the wrong spot. So let me get this one out.
So the screws are, let me see if I can maybe zoom in on this one. Let me get this one out of focus. Turn on now. Okay, let's turn it around. Here, here, and here. That's another one, another, and another. So that's the screws. Let me remove out the focus and stuff. Okay, so let me get this one going. Let me get this one removed. You gotta be really careful as well on this. You don't want to damage cables here. Okay, just kind of get it up like this. Okay. Okay.
Got a customer coming, so okay. So let me see what else is holding it in place there. Okay, just get a little stuck there, so that's all. Need a little bigger push. Okay, same as this.
Okay. All right. So this thing is off. Put it aside. So now, where do we have our mark? Mark is right here. Okay.
So this is where our problem is on this cable, basically.
So let me get this one. Okay.
Okay, so this is the cable we need to work on. Yeah, there is a glue on that side, looks like.
Let me check it out under the scope. And I'm gonna switch the camera as well. What's holding it there? There's some kind of a little hole there. Oh yes, it's the freaking glue. Okay, that will do actually. So, as you can see, hope you can see. Let me zoom in again. You can see how many dots here? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like several dots, indentations from the, and which ones, like it should be someone, let me see. Yeah, I have to go and look. It might be this one because it's like kind of open there. Maybe this one, maybe this one. So one of these, I would say. Let me turn it around and see on the other side. See what we have. Do we have it poking through, or what's going on? Do we have anything poking through? Yeah, I would have to go probably. I would think it's this one. Maybe this one. So one of those. That was two. So it was in the center. So it's probably this one then. If it's in the center, it's probably this one. So let me take care. Let me scrape this one a little bit. You see? I hope you see what I'm talking about. There's a pretty big one indentation right there. And this one. But since the line is going in the center, I would go with this one first. Okay, so let me make my X-Acto knife brand new again. I'm gonna sharpen it a little bit. And see what we have. Okay, let me move this out of the way, this cable. Yeah, I think it's actually broken. This one is actually broken. I'm just curious about this one as well. But this might be going in between the... How bad is this one?
This one might be broken as well, actually. Can't really tell. Not, but this does look like it is compromised. Maybe it's not broken, actually. Maybe it's not broken, but I'm gonna touch it up anyway. Okay, and let me, so it must be this one then, because this one, this was pretty badly compromised if you look from the other side. Just want to double check. Yes, it's this cable. Okay. I'm still thinking it's this one, because it just get back in shape when I pushed it, but let me pause this. Okay, yeah, so I still think it's this one. It's this one, but I'm gonna touch it up that one as well. I'm gonna touch it up both of them. Okay, but I'm pretty sure it's this one. I can kind of see a little crack there. You know, I just got it pushed back in, and the crack is kind of back. You know, they kind of get connected, but you don't need to finish it up with a little bit of solder. So for this one, I'm going to be using very low temperature. I'm not going to use low temp solder, but I'm going to use
lower temperature on the iron. Let me see. I'm gonna try to do 460 Fahrenheit. See how it goes. I think I did it last time. Maybe, you know, I'll bump it up. You don't wanna go with the hot iron and freaking melt everything around it. That's for sure. That's what you don't wanna do. And I need to change my. I need to get a different. Yeah. Probably not sure if you can see, but I can kind of see the damage there. Yeah, this is. Oh, this is pretty awesome actually. Yeah, maybe bump it up to finish it up 560. Yes, this is perfect. Beautiful. Oh, this is awesome. This came out pretty awesome. Okay, and let me do the same thing on that one. I'm gonna start with 460. I'm gonna finish it up with 560. Okay. Yeah, I need to get a different tip. I love this tip, but maybe. I mean, this tip works pretty good. So, but just a regular tip. Thin tip might be better in this case. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe. Yeah, this one may be compromised as well. Let me put a little bit more solder on the very edge. Yeah, on my old video, you know, the first time I was trying to mess with this issue, I was not removing the bezel, I was not removing the spring thing, and it was a completely different experience. You know, after you remove all these two, just, you know, they're just not, you know, not bad. Just a couple more steps, a little bit longer, but this is a sure way to fix this issue because, you know, with the, you know, I'm using 560. Beautiful. Yes, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay. I call it absolutely perfect. So, yeah, when I was not removing that and I tried to fix it, it didn't go well because, you know, obviously I did not have enough room because now I can stretch the cable out. You know, I can stretch the cable out and get, you know, the direct access, you know, with nothing in the way to these damaged areas, and you can scrape it very carefully. And I mean, this is just a completely different experience when you prepare these cables, when you remove you know, the stuff that's on the way. And this is absolutely completely different experience and a lot easier to work on. And let me test it out because I think we are back in business, but let me double check. Okay, so it's back in business. As you can see, our screen, I put it back, you know, I did not put it all together, you know, it's everything is missing, but as you can see, we have our, okay, now let me take this phone call. Okay, sorry about that, I had to take that call, but as you can see, we are absolutely back in business. Yeah, so this repairs, you know, I'm gonna cover it with a little bit, with just a little bit of the UV mask. Let me get this taken care of. But this is beautiful. Okay, so let's apply just a little bit of UV mask on these things. I don't want to go too much. Okay, here, and then I'm gonna spread it over. What kind of layer? Oh man, what's up with my hands? They're shaking. Okay, I'm probably too excited.
Yeah, it turned out to be a very, very lovely repair. I actually prefer this repair than the FlexGate. You know, it's easier to do. And this is, I mean, it's not going anywhere. I'm pretty sure of that. Okay, so let me cover this up. Let me put some UV light on. And this I'm gonna hold it for about a minute or so. And this should complete this repair. So thank you very much for watching, guys, and if you like my repairs, my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. And if you need your Mac fixed, I can also take care of that. I can be reached at applepytech.com. There's a contact form there, or you can reach me at applepytechllc@gmail.com on my email. And we can get your Mac back up and running. Thank you very much for watching once again, and have a lovely day. Bye bye, guys.